Hi, I am Dr. Des Fernandez. Welcome to the Des Collection. For this part of the collection, and as the creator of the DF machine, it is my pleasure to take you step by step through the true ENVIRON facial. Many clients believe an ENVIRON facial is one utilizing only ENVIRON creams. However, a true ENVIRON facial uses the DF machine. This offers a unique combination of iontophoresis and sonophoresis. This helps to achieve better penetration of the vitamins in your skincare products and produces quicker and better results. We start the ENVIRON facial with a thorough cleansing of the skin. Firstly, we clean the eye area using ENVIRON Eye Makeup Remover. Then we will start to clean the skin very thoroughly with ENVIRON Pre-Cleanser. The purpose of doing the massage with the pre-cleanser is that we want to dissolve all waxes and oils on the surface of the skin, and in so doing, remove any possible interference against the electrical and sound components of the ENVIRON DF facial. The next stage is to use the clay mask, which contains very fine granules of kaolin. This is then massaged thoroughly into the skin to further cleanse and prepare the skin for the definitive ENVIRON DF facial, which is a combination of electricity and sound. By massaging with steam, we are increasing the blood supply to the skin as well as cleaning the skin. We also know that heat from steam assists to prepare the skin and enhances penetration of the vitamins in the creams. We then remove all traces of the pre-cleanser and the clay mask by using the cleansing gel. We use the cleansing gel as opposed to the cleansing milk because this assists the penetration through the stratum corneum. The final step in preparation is the application of the Alpha Toner Mild to further prepare the skin for the facial. This is the DF2 machine, which we are going to switch on to start the active part of the facial. The passive electrode is placed carefully either in the hand or under the armpit as illustrated, or deep under the back, lower than the shoulder blade. This electrode completes the circuit of the flow of the current of the machine and the client's body. The active pole in the first stage of the ENVIRON DF facial is the sonoprobe, which carries both low-frequency ultrasound and electricity at the same time. Next, we apply the required ENVIRON product, and in this case we used intense retinol serum to get all the benefits of vitamin A. And then we massage that into the selected area with the sonoprobe. It is important to always make sure that you have a sufficient quantity of the product on the skin so that the probe glides smoothly over the area being treated. That makes the electrical current comfortable for the client. Any slight deficiency of the serum or gel will cause discomfort for the client. Each area of the face and neck is treated individually as a separate unit for about 3 to 5 minutes before we move on to the next area. It is recommended to work each area for 3 minutes at least, because our research has shown us that by that time we have achieved sufficient cavitation in the area. One can treat larger areas such as the cheeks for 6 minutes. Providing one has applied gel over the vermilion, which is the pink part of the lips, one can treat the fine lines in the actual lip area. We recommend to treat the chin area as a separate unit, and by getting more vitamin A into that area, one achieves smoothing of that skin. One must not neglect the area close to the ear. As people get older, they start developing fine lines around the ear and hairline, and again, by treating this area, one can visibly soften those lines. Many people think that an ENVIRON facial is a facial using ENVIRON products and massage and maybe some galvanic current. This is not an ENVIRON facial. Only when we use this combination of iontophoresis and sonophoresis through the DF2 machine do you have a true ENVIRON facial. By doing all this, we have now made cavitation through the whole face that is going to endure for about another 2 or 3 hours, so this has set up the skin for the final phase. Because the cavitation is there already, the iontophoresis will be up to 20 to 30 times more effective than if cavitation had not been created in the skin. At this point, we mix the alginate mask in order to use the iontophoresis diffusely over the whole face. This is the most comfortable way to do iontophoresis over the whole face or anywhere else. To mix the alginate mask, follow the precise instructions to reach the right consistency and apply quickly and evenly, but always remembering that the mask will take about 6 minutes to become firm. A cotton swab is then placed between the mask and the skin where the clips of the 4 electrodes are put into position. We are now using iontophoresis only. One can increase the current quite rapidly up to the maximum strength when using the alginate mask as the conductor, without any discomfort to the client. If one uses Heiser gauze, one should increase the current slowly. The higher the current, the more effective the iontophoresis. Continue the iontophoresis through the alginate mask for 20 minutes. Whilst this is taking place, this is the perfect time to give a hand or foot massage, a manicure or a pedicure, ensuring that something is happening all the time to give the client a total pampering experience. At the end of this phase, the machine automatically turns off and we gently remove the clips and peel off the mask. We end the ENVIRON facial with a relaxing facial massage using the client's regular moisturizer followed by a suitable sunscreen. In this case, we applied a hydrating oil capsule. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I hope this has answered many of your queries regarding the ENVIRON DF facial.